So because of this little guy here, Tanner, who likes to climb and crawl on everything, including our TV, I wound up putting these straps in. And I'm going to show you how to put these straps on the back of your TV and mount it to your television stand. Not a difficult project. Because of this little guy and this TV, we're going to need to put these straps to the back of the TV and fasten it to the TV stand to make sure that our cat here doesn't push over our television. All right, so we have these straps, putting the screw in, and there's some holes here in the back that you can secure it to. There's one. All right, so now we're going to just screw in the second one. And then these will fasten to the television stand. And we're putting a couple pilot holes in here. And somebody really wants to help out with this whole job. Now I'm securing the bracket to the back of the television stand. Now I'm securing the second bracket to the television stand. All right, so now I'm just pulling on these straps to make it nice and tight. Just going to kind of lock it in there and do the same for this one. And there we go. All right, that is the finished product. The straps are secured to the back of the television stand. There's actually a wood blocking behind here that I was able to secure it to. I just as you saw, pilot holes in and then put the screws in. And then the bolts that came with this fit perfectly into the threads on the back of the television. And I just added a couple rubber bands into the straps just to keep them looking a little bit neater. And this should hopefully keep the cat from tipping over our television. The only tools required for this project was a drill gun, a drill bit for drilling some pilot holes, and a Phillips screwdriver. All right, I think we've got a job well done, and hopefully Tanner here will be fine with the television and not require us to go out and purchase a new television anytime soon. See you on the next one.